Hello, friends. I am Bella. I love my grandmother so much. She is a wise and strong lady. She has lived a long, happy, and healthy life and has many stories to tell. I love listening to her stories and all the adventures she had. She also gives us great advice. Today, I will share some great advices of my grandmother. My grandmother says, "Falling in love is easy, but staying in love is very special. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. When you die, Piolpe cry and beg for you to come back, but sometime when you are here, they don't even show they care about you. Some people will never like you because your spirit irritates their demons. Be humble and never think that you are better than anyone else, for dust you are, and unto dust you shall return. People who love you for who you are and not for what you can do for them are the best kind of people. When you are flying high, people will throw stones at you. Don't look down. Just fly higher so the stones won't reach you. Sometimes those who don't socialize much aren't actually antisocial. They just have no tolerance for drama, stupidity, and fake people. Never forget the hands that raised you. A good apology has 3 parts. 1. I am sorry. 2. It's my fault. 3. What can I do to make it right? Most people forget the 3rd part. Never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. Not everyone will have heart you have. Not everyone will appreciate you for what you do for them. Sometimes it won't be easy having kind heart in a cruel world. Be prepared. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how about the situation is, it will change. When you are happy, you enjoy the music, but when you are sad, you understand the lyrics. We always work for a better tomorrow, but when tomorrow comes, instead of enjoying, we again think for a better tomorrow. Let's have a better today. Learn to be okay with people not knowing your side of the story. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Living alone is really better than living with fake people who hate you but act like loving you. Some people in your family will come miles to bury you but won't even cross a street to come support you when you are alive. I usually give people more chances than they deserve, but once I'm done, I am done. The hardest walk is walking alone, but it's also the walk that makes you the strongest. Be happy in front of people who don't like you. It kills them. Life is too short to worry about stupid things. Have fun, fall in love, regret nothing, and don't let people bring you down. When your parents are not rich but still afford to give you a beautiful life, appreciate the sacrifices. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. You never know what someone is going through. Be kind always. A frog decided to reach the top of the tree. All the frogs shouted, "It's impossible, it's impossible." Still, the frog reaches the top. How? Because he was deaf, and he thought everyone was encouraging him to reach the top. Be deaf to negative thoughts if your aim is to reach your goal. I hope you also like my grandmother's advices. Let me know which advice you like the most. My grandmother will also like to know from which country you watching us. Share this video with your friends for learning English. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.